Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Let's learn 50 plus fruits names. Apple. Apple. This is an apple. Banana. Banana. This is a banana. Mango. Mango. This is mango. Orange. Orange. This is an orange. Strawberry. Strawberry. These are strawberries. Grapes. Grapes. These are grapes. Pineapple. Pineapple. This is pineapple. Watermelon. Watermelon. This is watermelon. Papaya. Papaya. This is papaya. Kiwi. Kiwi. This is kiwi. Blueberry. Blueberry. This is blueberry. Raspberry. Raspberry. This is raspberry. Cherry. Cherry. This is cherry. Lemon. Lemon. This is lemon. Lime. Lime. This is lime. Peach. Peach. This is peach. Pear. Pear. This is pear. Plum. Plum. This is a plum. Melon. Melon. This is melon. Fig. Fig. This is a fig. Coconut. Coconut. This is a coconut. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Lychee. Lychee. This is lychee. Blackcurrant. Blackcurrant. This is blackcurrant. Cranberry. Cranberry. This is cranberry. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. This is dragon fruit. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. This is passion fruit. Star fruit. Star fruit. This is a star fruit. Mulberry. Mulberry. This is mulberry. Gooseberry. Gooseberry. This is gooseberry. Dates. Dates. These are dates. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. This is jackfruit. Durian. Durian. This is durian. Olive. Olive. This is olive. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.